welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to explain chapter algorithm and flowchart. So firstly, let's see what is algorithm. So a computer program is a set of sequence of instructions, you know it very well, or statements that are arranged in a specific order. These statements are executed in their order of appearance in the program to do the desired job, whatever uh, suppose we have practiced basic programming, so we write program in proper sequence in proper steps. So these steps are known as algorithm, stepwise solution of any problem. So algorithm and flowcharts are two problem solving techniques that helps us in deciding the sequence of steps in a program. So let's see how we use algorithm. So firstly, let's go to the algorithm. So an algorithm is a set of sequential steps written in a simple language to perform a particular task. If you are writing a basic program or any HTML program, you write that in proper sequential steps. So that is known as, if you are writing any problem in sequential steps, that are known as algorithm. These set of instructions when writing in any programming language become a part of computer program. So there is one example that is given. Suppose Sam wants to prepare a drink, a cup of tea. In such a situation, he follows certain steps. This is an example of algorithm that is given from your daily life. Now, so let's go through this. He takes an empty pan, pours some water in it. He puts the pan on the gas burner. He puts tea leaves in the sugar in it, and he lets it boil. He adds milk to the mixture. These are the steps, sequence of steps that he will follow to make tea. Now next one is in step 6, he boils it again, he strains it into a cup, and then he drinks the tea. So these are the steps he will follow to make the tea. Now a computer follows a set of instruction to perform a task same like this. Whatever, if you want to add two numbers, you need to enter that number, calculate the sum, and then you can show the answer. This is the information about algorithm that comes from the name of a Persian mathematician, that is AI Khwarizmi. And next one, the rules of algorithm. You need to learn these rules also. Question can come in exam that write any 2 rules, 3 rules for writing an algorithm, that number the statements such as step 1, step 2, and so on. Write each statement clearly in separate line. Always begin with start and finish with the stop. Now let's come to know one example of algorithm. The first one, write an algorithm to find the sum of 3 numbers. So step 1 will be start. Next step, input 3 numbers, n1, n2, and n3. Then add 3 numbers and store the result as sum, and print the value of sum, and then at last sum. Here we are printing the answer, and at last stop. You can also write this algorithm like this. So let's come to this one. That first one, start, and then read n1, n2, and n3. Then calculate the sum of 3 numbers. You can then print the sum, because answer is stored in this sum word, and then stop. So this is about algorithm. In next video I will explain the algorithm number 2. Thanks for watching the video.